Today I will be remaking this bracket, which is used for the differential on the trike. The first course of action is to make the jig, wherein I can make 2 more of these. The way that I will be making the jig is by mounting a piece of pipe and a piece of bar stock to an 8mm plate. Afterwards I can take a straight piece of round stock and then I can heat it around the edge here to bend it around in the desired shape. To finish the jig, I just need a way to raise the bar stock by 1 centimeter. The jig is now ready and I can now make 2 of these braces. That's the first one. It's still pretty hot. Now that they have cooled down, they are ready for the next step. And that is to shorten them to the appropriate length. I have now ground them down and they are ready for threading. I will only be going down about 2.5 centimeters and that should be enough. And as you can see, they are side by side, so I can use a normal winding iron. Therefore, I will need to use an adjustable wrench and just ease my way down. Well, actually, I can use it for the first centimeter and that will give it the correct direction. That is the first one finished, and I actually went down about 30 millimeters. I just thought it was more appropriate. Now let's check if it works. I'd say that's pretty good. Alright, that was the last one finished as well. Now I just want to show you where this is actually used. As I told you before, it's for the trike, and the one I have shown you in one of the other videos isn't quite finished, but this is how they look when they are. Under the trike we have the differential that distributes power to each of the back wheels. The differential is mounted with these braces right here at my finger, and on the one that I am restoring, one of these broke, and the other one is also pretty rusty. So that's why I made new ones. When laying them side to side, it's quite easy to see the difference from a used and broken one to a brand new one. And as always, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, remember to subscribe, like, and throw any suggestions down in the comments.